Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a sleek, ultra-powerful business laptop that's as beautiful as it is fast, you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro 16, a premium productivity machine designed for pros who demand power, portability, and stunning visuals. Let's start with the display because that's where this laptop truly shines. The 16-inch 3K AMOLED touchscreen is jaw-droppingly gorgeous. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and every detail pops whether you're editing media, browsing, or just streaming. It's a touchscreen too responsive and fluid, giving you intuitive control over your workflow or creative projects. Under the hood, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is powered by Intel's latest Core 7 Ultra 155H processor. With 16 cores and cutting-edge efficiency, it breezes through multitasking, heavy spreadsheets, content creation, and virtual meetings. It's built for today's hybrid workforce, giving you desktop-grade power in a device you can take anywhere. It doesn't stop there. You're also getting 32 GB of fast LPDDR5 RAM, which is more than enough for professional-grade multitasking, from running design software to editing large documents and juggling browser tabs. Storage: no compromises here. The 1TB SSD gives you ultra-fast boot times, app launches, and plenty of room for files, media, and large projects. Samsung also nails the design. The moonstone gray finish on this ultra-thin aluminum chassis is clean, modern, and incredibly premium. It's lightweight, yet solid, a true go-anywhere device built with both performance and aesthetics in mind. It runs Windows 11 Pro, giving you advanced features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and more, perfect for business users and managed environments. Key features recap: Intel Core 7 Ultra 155H, 16-core CPU for elite performance. 32 GB RAM, ultra-smooth multitasking. 1TB SSD, fast, secure, massive storage. 16 3K AMOLED touchscreen, ultra-rich visuals and intuitive touch. Windows 11 Pro, enterprise-grade tools and security. Moonstone gray finish, elegant, durable, and portable. Lightweight design, big screen, travel-ready body. Whether you're editing presentations, crunching data, designing on the go, or just want a laptop that looks as good as it performs, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro is built to impress. Check the link in the description for more details and to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next top-tier tech review. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp and stay productive.